Hey guys, welcome to another episode on how to use ARI, Auto Repair Software. My name is Cameron, and here's what I have in store for you today.
Here's how to create a digital vehicle inspection, or DVI, in ARI and use Walkaround Dictation to turn one spoken pass around a vehicle into organized checklist findings. From the home screen, open Inspections. This list keeps every saved report easy to find by inspection number, customer, or vehicle. To begin, select New Inspection. Confirm the inspection number and date, then choose the customer and the vehicle being inspected. The redesigned editor keeps the checklist, damage report, photos, supporting files, and final summary in one workflow. Before you move on, make sure the vehicle, mileage, and inspection date match the visit. A useful DVI starts with the right vehicle record and clear, factual context. Start with Checklist. ARI loads your current checklist with good, fair, and poor ratings for every item. Open templates whenever you need a different starting point. ARI includes 50-point, Level 1, pre-sale, heavy-duty, and motorcycle inspections, and you can customize a standard template or build one for your own shop process. We'll keep the 50-point checklist for this example. Choose the checklist that fits the work in front of you. A quick intake should not force the technician through the same sequence as a pre-sale or heavy-duty inspection. You can rate an item manually, type a detail, dictate a single professional note, or attach a photo. The progress counter, search, and all to check and issues filters make a longer DVI easier to review. Use the ratings consistently. For example, good can mean the item passed your check, fair identifies something to monitor or service, and poor calls attention to a condition that needs a clear explanation. When your hands are busy, select Start Walkaround and describe the vehicle naturally. Call out what you checked, the condition you found, and useful measurements such as brake pad thickness, battery voltage, or tire tread depth. There is no special command language to memorize. Speak in the same order you inspect the vehicle, one clear finding at a time. When the walkaround is complete, select Stop and Enhance. ARI processes the recording, matches each finding to the right checklist item, assigns good, fair, or poor, and writes concise supporting notes. Items you didn't mention stay unchanged. Review every generated result before saving. If a finding is not already on your checklist, ARI can offer to add a new check item, and the generated batch can be undone if it is not what you intended. Open the updated items and compare the rating and note with what you actually observed. Dictation speeds up documentation, but the technician remains responsible for the final report. Use issues to focus on fair and poor findings, and to check to see what is still unfinished. After you have physically verified the remaining items in a section, all good can mark those uncompleted items good without replacing the findings you already recorded. If an item was not inspected, leave it unfinished rather than marking it good just to complete the progress counter. Back in the main editor, the completed checklist shows as done. Open Damage Report to mark dents or scratches directly on the vehicle diagram, then save the mark. You can also add up to 50 inspection photos in batches of 10. Photo attachments require ARI Pro Plus. Optional supporting PDF or image files can be attached below the photos, and you control whether those files are visible to the customer online. Use a wider context photo and a close-up when that helps explain a finding. Remove blurry, duplicate, unrelated, or private images before the report goes out. Customer visible files can be opened from the online inspection, but they do not appear in printed or downloaded PDF copies. After the checklist contains at least one rating or note, Auto Summarize becomes available. Select it to draft a customer-facing overview from the completed findings. Read the result carefully and edit anything that does not match the technician's judgment before you share it. Keep the inspection summary focused on condition and the recommended next step. The inspection itself does not replace repair authorization or an estimate. When the inspection is complete, select Save. The preview brings together the vehicle details, issues found, summary, damage report, and the full, good, fair, and poor checklist. From here, you can print or download the report, send it by email, share it, or open the online version. Always verify the finished DVI before it goes to the customer. That is the complete digital vehicle inspection workflow in ARI, from a hands-free walkaround to a clear, customer-ready report.